Okay, this is my pouch. As y'all know what type it is, y'all can see it's pretty much maxed out just about. I put the power cord on it. I put the zip pulls on it. Thought it would make it stand out a little bit, but I'm not going through this. This is going to be another day, but I'm just going to show you what I have in it. Just a little sneak peek. Sorry about that, I have to do everything with my phone. Okay. Just a peek. As you can tell, I got a lot of stuff in there. I mean, it's cram packed. That's this one so far. So I'll be showing this off in a couple of days. Okay, I just got this bag. I got 2 more pouches on it. But this one's just got a little bit of my knickknacks in it. Before another day. Still not done. Pockets everywhere. Little straps. Little pocket right here. This is another new one I've been working on right here. And right here's 3 other pockets. So yeah, I got a few I want to do. And right here is my backpack. I got it through Wish. Little bitty side pockets. Nothing fancy. Just a little everyday carry backpack. Only reason I got it. Pockets is pretty good size. It's just pockets is all it is. It ain't got no conviders or no pencil holders or nothing like that. Just pockets. And then it's got one big sleeve right here too. And then it's got a little bitty pocket. And it's got one scratch strap. It's got a pocket down here. And I just got a little phone charger and a cord in it. But yeah, that's all coming up. So I hope you enjoyed my little sneak peek. Everything that I've been working on. So now you know. So just give me a thumbs up and tell me what you think about my video. I'll be making more soon.